Member of Parliament for Gros Islet Kenson Casimir addressed the launch of the Development 101 Program Workshop, an initiative designed to equip young persons with practical skills often absent from traditional learning spaces. The program seeks to provide participants with structured training and exposure in key areas, creating opportunities for personal development and improved employability among the nation's youth.
The program is aimed at pretty much channeling young people in the right direction. A lot of people saw the age group from 17 to 35, and we got a number of requests for 36-year-olds. I just want to say that the skills that we are teaching in this program, if by 36 you have not received those skills, then we may have to develop a second program for these individuals. But very highly subscribed. In our first 2 days, we've already seen 75 people registering for this program. We'll be doing a lot of soft skills, conflict resolution, goal setting, and some of the basics that we need our young people to gravitate to.
He further outlined the rationale behind the initiative, explaining that the project was deliberately designed to engage participants from as young as 17 years old, with the aim of fostering early development, discipline, and long-term involvement in the sector.
We started at the age of 17 simply because we are targeting these individuals that are on the fringes or at the verge of leaving secondary school and may be desirous of entering into the work world before they continue their education, or just individuals that we believe by that time should have some of those skills that may not have gotten it from the interactions at the school level. What we're hoping to do is to certainly have a huge component of the program being about lifestyle decisions. What do you want your life to look like by the age of 17? What do you want your life to look like from 17 going into 35? Goal setting. What are your goals? Are they reachable? Are they goals that you can comfortably see a path to achieving? And I think it's been missing in our young people's minds on some level, and so you see them gravitating towards gangs and alternative ways of living, and so we want to really capture them from that age group.
The training program is open to all interested participants and will be held at the Grand Riviere Human Resource Center. For 7 TV News, Josiah Bisset reporting.